Welcome to Catalyst Grid. My name is Kingsley Imufua. We have reached the end of an incredible journey. Building the Machine, Series 2, Hyperscale. Today, we close the chapter on Project FULCRUM. 42 months, 1,200 piles, 24 trade contractors, 85 megawatts of power. From a blank site to a fully operational hyperscale campus, FULCRUM is now powering the intelligence of a continent. Cloud Core's first European AI workloads are running. But the transition from construction to operations is where the real complexity begins. Practical completion at FULCRUM is significantly more complex than what we saw at Iron Gate. It requires 7 concurrent conditions. First, the ICA IT Ready certificate, confirming level 1 to 5 commissioning is complete. Then, the LTA's technical completion report. This is vital as it triggers the lender's financial close for the construction tranche. Cloud Core must then provide beneficial occupancy confirmation, accepting the hall for IT deployment. Simultaneously, the DBFO FM operator assumes operational control. They are on-site 24/7 from this date forward. Finally, we need the Building Regulations Completion Certificate and the Fire Authority's Life Safety Approval. Only then is the first 50% of contract retention released to the EPC contractor. This leads us to the DBFO operations model. Unlike Series 1, this building is not just handed over to an owner team. It transitions to a 25-year contracted operation where the operator is responsible for performance every single day. Their commercial incentive is perfectly aligned with performance. Fees are tied to metrics like PUE and uptime. In year 1 alone, DH1 requires 847 planned preventive maintenance tasks. Emergency response is strict, a 30-minute window for priority 1 alarms, 24 hours a day. All 20 generators undergo a weekly loaded run on a rolling 5-day cycle to ensure readiness. Capacity management is handled via DCIM, forecasting exactly when the next IT threshold will be hit. And we maintain a 96-hour minimum fuel stock at all times. It is a contractual obligation. Now, reflecting on 42 months of work, here are the 5 key lessons from Project FULCRUM. Lesson 1. The 132 kV bulk supply point application is the first action every single time. We filed on day 1. Had we waited even 3 months, we would have lost 3 months of DH1 operations. Lesson 2. Precast. BIM coordination must be complete before the factory starts production. Because we invested in BIM early, we had 0 retrospective penetrations, no structural design reviews needed during erection. Lesson 3. Specify LFP and CO2 suppression in battery rooms. No exceptions. This is a life safety decision, not a product choice. Never compromise this under value engineering pressure. Lesson 4. The LTA is not an obstacle. The LTA is program protection. Their independence caught a seismic restraint issue early, saving us from a massive remediation program later. Lesson 5. Phased delivery requires the operational boundary to be in the contract from day 1. Agreement on vibration and dust control before Phase 2 started meant no disputes and no delays. 20 episodes, 1 campus. We have covered everything from project finance to rear door liquid cooling. That is how a hyperscale data center campus gets built. My name is Kingsley Imufua, and it has been a privilege. But the challenge doesn't stop here. Series 3, Vertex is coming. We are going brownfield, taking a 10-year-old facility and doubling its capacity without taking it offline. A different kind of hard. Subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. I will see you in Series 3. Like, share, and comment. Goodbye for now. See you in the next episode.